In this video, we are going to see how to implement JWT in the React side. As in the earlier video, we have seen that how to implement JWT token or how to generate the JWT token from the server side. Now we are going to take that token from the backend from the server, and we are going to store it in the session storage of the uh, client side, and we are going to access it and again add into the header of the Axios and send it back to the server for the authentication. So let's start. Here, first of all, let me tell you that we will be sending the authentication details to the server, and from server, see here, we will be sending at this endpoint. This endpoint is accessible to all. I'm having an endpoint for the authentication purpose. This endpoint is accessible to all. I have written here permit all. This is endpoint with no restrictions on the role or any type of method. It is accessible to all. We are going to send the credentials to this method. It will be validated and a token will be sent back in the response. See here, response success, and we will be adding the user and we will be sending it back. So in the front end, this is the sign in page. See, this is the sign in page. In the sign in page, what we are going to do is send the credentials to the server. Here we are using an Axios for sending the data to the server. Axios.post URL body, and after the request is processed on the server side, we are going to receive some data. So we are going to store the user in the user object here, and here we are going to store the token named as user role token underscore user role in the session storage by using session storage dot set item. I have used here backquotes for encoding it as I'm having different roles. So I will be encoding token with the user role. For example, token underscore admin, token underscore patient, token underscore reception will be used. Then after that, I will be that code will be checking for the role, and correspondingly it will be transferred to the respective page. So let us have a look for the admin page. First of all, I have an admin. So this is the admin who is having the role admin. I will enter that role, select the role as an admin, and let's log in here. Now let us check in the session storage for the JWT token if it is available there. Session storage, this is the URL, and corresponding to this URL we are having this many tokens. We are having token for the accountant, admin, doctor, reception, and the patient. So let us see how to add while sending the data to the server. Add the JWT token to the request header before sending the data to the server. So from here I will be navigated to the admin page, admin details page here, patient details, admin employee details. Here I am setting the default header for the Axios authorization and beer. This is very important step. By doing so, you won't be requiring every time adding the header to the Axios. Once you declare the header and add it to the Axios, then automatically all the requests will be considered with the same headers. Here I'm extracting the token from the session storage. As this page is an admin page, so I have embedded this thing, this string, and I set the token. After that, token is formatted as per the requirement for the server. And while extracting the employees from the server, it is and automatically gets added to the header. Let's see if this is getting added. I will log in once again. Role admin, and I'll click on login. Let's check on the network. See, this page is calling these four endpoints. Let's check their headers, request headers. As this get all words, and this is open for all, so there we don't require any authentication. Get all employees requires authentication and role as admin. So here is the authorization token added automatically and sent to the server. So this is the basically working or adding the token to the header and sending the request using the Axios. Thank you.